From township streets to city heights, we're turning darkness into light. Commission checks and dreams renewed, we build with love, that's what we do. Every soul that joins the flame adds more power to our name. Together we win, together we move. It's all because of DigiNew. Phuket calling, can you feel that vibe? Ocean breeze and joy worldwide. A million hearts, a single view. Changing lives is what we do. We are DigiNew, 1 million strong, unstoppable crew. Breaking records, shining through. The future belongs to me and you. Raise your hands, the dreams in bloom. From Africa's heart to every room. Teamwork blazing, heart so true. The world is smiling. Enjoy worldwide. DigiNew.
I walk these roads with echoes in my head. Dreams too big for where I tread.
Tried to shout, but no one heard the sound. Fell so many times before I found.
That lonely years and weakness is just the start of finding those who heal your heart. Then came a spark that lit the gray, a voice that whispered you'll find your way. Through every doubt, through every fall, I learned that hope can still stand tall. And somewhere deep I felt it near, a place where I belong was clear. Now I found the team, the dream, the fire. They lift me higher, fuel my desire. They love me loud, they see my soul. Together we're pieces that make a whole. No more masks, no need to hide. They stand with me right by my side. I'm seen, I'm known, I'm finally free. This is the team that I gave everything away, kept my heartbeat quiet for their game. Not anymore, this is my time. I held the ladder, steadied every fall, said go first while I stood small. Carried others so they wouldn't break. Forgot myself every risk I take. But the silence taught me how to stand. The cracks showed maps I hadn't planned. This is my time. Watch me light the sky. taught me how to carry. Now I'll carry us ahead, not from a place of pride, from all the love I bled. When I stand taller, the whole line climbs. This is not just mine, it's how we find our shine. I found my name in the noise. Digged anew. This is my time. Watch me light the sky. I'm done with hiding. I'm done asking why. I'll take the lead, and we'll all survive. This is my moment. This is my time. Watch us roll. This is my time. This is my time. Not alone, not lost, not quiet. This is my time. I've been waiting on the perfect sign, watching all my dreams just pass me by.
Telling myself maybe someday soon, while another year disappears too.
Deep inside I hear a voice say go,
But fear keeps telling me,
not yet, no.
how much longer will I stand in place?
While life keeps running in a race.
What if it works out better than I dreamed?
What if there's greatness,
Waking up in me.
greatness in me?
What if the fire inside my soul
Was always meant to take control. Today's the day I stop standing in my own way.
no more waiting,
No more almost.
maybe someday?
What if I fly? What if this moment
Changes my whole life.
whole life?
What if the skills I need are already inside?
What if the door
Only opens when I try.
Today's the day
I take the leap, I light the flame, and even if I'm scared to fall,
I'll never know.
unless I go it all.
How many chances have I let slip by?
How many dreams
Did fear deny?
one day becomes another year? If I keep hiding here,
I can almost see the future now.
the life I want is calling loud.
The pain of trying fades away.
But regret is the one that stays.
What if it works out?
Better than I dreamed.
What if there's greatness,
Waking up in me.
greatness in me?
What if the fire inside my soul
Was always meant to take control.
Today's the day I stop standing in my own way.
No more waiting.
No more almost. Maybe someday. What if I fly?
What if this moment
Changes my whole life.
nothing.
But one bold step can change everything.
Everything.
The clock keeps ticking every night, and lost time never comes back twice. So I'll move before the fear can stay, because maybe today's the day. The day.
What if it works out
Better than I dreamed.
What if this greatness
Waking up in me.
Greatness in me
What if the fire inside my soul
was always meant to take control?
Today's the day I stop standing in my own way.
No more waiting.
No more almost. Maybe someday. What if I fly?
What if this moment
Changes my whole life.
whole life?
What if the skills I need are already inside? What if the door only opens when I try? Today's the day I take the leap. I light the flame, and even if I'm scared to fall,
I'll never know.
unless I go it all.
Today's the day.
My day, my day. Today's the day.
My day.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's great to be on the call tonight. Great to see the familiar faces, but it's always great to see new faces and new names as well. So you're also welcome. Tonight's going to be a very, very great, exciting evening. As you can see there, my name is Marius Adams. I'm the head of field marketing, and my passion and vision is to see people prosper, and that is why we are here. That's why I am in Diginu for the last 4 years. Jesse, it's already 4.5 years now, so I almost stopped talking about 4 years. So, but I love it to bits. We are over 100,000 registered members on our database, and we are growing like never before. So you are at the right place at the right time, ladies and gentlemen. Please stay to the end. There's going to be questions and answers at the end. So all of your questions will be answered. Not your answers will be answers. So it's great to be here. I've got a very dear friend, Jesse Bester. He's also the CEO and founder of Diginu. And he's just going to introduce you and do some groundwork of what this whole business entails. But for me, this is not a business. It's a great, big, massive family of people that's pulling towards the same goal. And that is to make a massive difference in South Africa. We've got a great product. We've got a great marketing business around it. And you will hear about that now. And now Jesse's gone, eh? Belinda, where's Jesse? Oh, Jesse's back. Guess who's back? So Jesse, our CEO and founder, you are the visionary here, and I dream and I vision with you. So please, there's the mic. Where's the mic?
Thank you, Marius. Yes, we've had a lot of dreaming sessions there at your Boma with a glass of wine and just talking and talking and talking. And ladies and gents, I'm thinking of it now that Marius mentioned it, the amount of times that right in the beginning when Marius and I were sitting around the fire, we're just like dreaming about all these things. And imagine we can have some form of AI. If we also get AI at one point or another, and today we've got cutting edge AI. We've got an incredibly good team. Yes, we've got our challenges. Absolutely. I wish I could tell you, oh no, it's just smooth sailing. Everything is done on autopilot. The company runs itself. But if I say that, I'm either off my rocker or lying, because that's not the truth. Ladies and gentlemen, we've had an interesting week. So for those of you that's new, I just quickly want to give feedback to our existing team. And to the existing team, I can tell you this. I will not take the past week over for anything, in exchange for anything in the world. It was chaos. From picking up fraudulent activities on the system, Nova, for those of you that's new, Nova is our AI-powered platform that monitors everything. She does compliance, she does slip reviews, she does basically everything that a ton of people would be needed to do, and she does it in a heartbeat, very accurately. And in any case, from Nova pushing out the one alert upon the other for suspicious activity, for fraudulent claims, for this, that, and the other, to claims coming in at the speed of light. By the way, ladies and gentlemen, we get about between 150 and 180 claims on average a day. Every single day. It just keeps on coming in. And it's not growing at the pace we expected. It's growing much faster. As I auto English airtime update gedoen daarso. Top up. So, ladies and gents, for the existing team, there was many claims that was in a massive backlog. Like you all have heard, those of you that's on the Movers WhatsApp group will know about it, and I think many others of you will also know about it, that you heard from the team that's on the Movers WhatsApp group. We had, if I can tell you, chaos last week. That's an understatement. So I stopped taking alcohol. I stopped drinking alcohol last year. And last week I was seriously reconsidering my life choices. I was like, you know what, maybe I need to go and get a bottle of whiskey and just like a nice sweet, nice whiskey, and just chuck that thing down. But nonetheless, I won't solve any problems with it. So, those of you that's heard this song that I wrote called Pass the Test would have heard that would have seen that there's many principles in that song that basically relate or comes down to the concept of life has got a set of challenges for you, and the faster you write those tests and pass them, the quicker you can elevate to the next level in your life. And I played that song on repeat last week. It was just like, okay, listen, we need to level up now. This is God's way of testing us, to test whether we're ready for the next level, and I ain't failing any exams on this. So I am excited to share with you that Nova has now reviewed a ton of those backlog slips. There was a couple of fraudulent slips that caused a massive review that we needed to do on the entire database. Can I see by means of a heart reaction, whom of your slips has been approved recently? Can I see a heart reaction if your slips has recently been approved? Okay, thank you. Nice. Okay, good. So you guys got the notifications on your app. That's very good news. There are still a few backlogs that's busy getting cleared out now. And we hope to finalize all of that this week. And I am so grateful tonight. I also had to jump in and assist with emails that came in for people, especially new companies that want to partner with us. We had quite a number, like, I don't know if everyone in this call knows about it, but I think it was about 2 weeks ago or so, there was an article that came out in My Broadband about Digino Cashback Club, and we have just seen an explosion take place in people joining, activating, claiming, referring others. And it's like the dog that chased the bus, and when it caught the bus, it was not entirely trained yet on how to drive that bus. But I want to also take this opportunity to say congratulations and a massive well done to our top management team. You guys worked your asses off. I know. Ladies and gents, I would log on to Nova, and I can see on my portal on Nova, I can see when people were on Nova, when they were busy working there. And I can see those timestamps. It's ludicrous times of night. It's like sometimes early in the mornings, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock in the morning, the team was still busy working, responding to emails. So I want to say well done to all of you. That was really good work. So, ladies and gents, going forward, how we have decided to improve the company even more is we increased the level of AI. So, those of you that's on the WhatsApp group, from the Movers WhatsApp group, will also know yesterday, or I think it was last night or somewhere, we pushed through some more updates, and we also increased Nova's capabilities, Nova's speed, the frequency on how often she checks certain things so that there cannot be a backlog again. And we've also reviewed a few internal policies and procedures. I'll be open with you about that. We were thinking, these things would be sufficient. It was not. There was a few interesting characters that found one or two loopholes. And then Nova picked that up and flagged it for us, and it wasn't in our internal policies and procedures, so we updated that. And now, with all the processes, then we applied that onto Nova, and she started testing it today. She started running through the slips again. And the amount of approvals that happened today was really exciting to see. Now, I spoke to one of my friends the other day. He's an entrepreneur, and I told him, it's like, listen, I think it was like Saturday I spoke to him. I said, listen, it's chaos. He said, why? I said, it's like all these things happening at one point. He said, Jess, that is probably the most exciting time that you're ever going to experience. I was like, well, that's not my definition of excitement. I mean, that's my definition of chaos. He said, no, think about it this way. The fact that people are claiming so much, the fact that people are joining so much and reaching out and emailing, that's a good sign. If people just kept quiet and they did nothing, how would you have felt? I was like, okay, in that case, I'll take that week over. Now it makes sense. So it always, very valuable lesson that I learned there was it's not necessarily what happens to you, but it's how you react to it. And I can now tell you, it's really heartwarming to see such a massive demand for what we've built. Have we dropped the ball many times before? Flip it. I think we dropped the ball about 74 times a day. So yes, we stuff up left, right, and center. We rewrote a couple of volumes of books on how to mess up. But as we go along, we learn. And the vision never changes. The vision is to help 1 million South Africans earn from our company every single week. And that will not change. And if it means we have to employ more people, we have to deploy more artificial intelligence, we have to increase the standard operating procedures, company policies and procedures, terms and conditions, it doesn't matter. Whatever it takes, as long as it's legal and ethical, we will persist until we succeed. Now, with that being said, those of you that's new, you're probably sitting there and thinking, how? What have I gotten myself into here? Well, I'm going to be honest with you, you got yourself into a little bit of chaos. Not on your side, but on our side. But that's the type of chaos that we signed up for. We signed up for helping people, and we realized from the beginning, this is not going to be an easy task. No one in South African history has ever launched a cashback program where people can get up to 7,000 Rand cashback on groceries, fuel, and restaurants at any grocery store, any fuel station, and any restaurant nationwide. And, okay, well, I technically can't say it was in record time because it automatically is record time if no one's done it before. But we've done it in a period that is so short, it's like almost, we're sure this thing is going to work. And we launched and it actually works. Now, ladies and gents, with that being said, tonight is going to be primarily about the new people. I just quickly wanted to give some feedback to the existing team and for the new people that's here tonight. We're a bunch of crazy entrepreneurs. And we think we might be able to change a lot of people's lives. But we're going to need your help. Tonight, we're going to show you exactly how our business model works. We're going to pop the bonnet, and we're going to show you what's in this for you and why we are willing to pay you the levels of money that we are willing to pay you. And then also, what we're going to do is we're going to show you exactly step by step on how to get involved with us should you want to. You can get the cashback like you've seen on your app, and then there's also a bonus income opportunity. So, ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, I would now like to hand over to... No. I think we're first going to do a video. We're going to play a product video. We're going to show you exactly how DigiNew Cashback work. If you haven't seen it yet, I'm going to show you how does DigiNew Cashback work. And then directly after that, I think directly after that, Belinda can just take over. So Belinda is head of DigiNew Cashback Club. And she is someone with probably the most level of tolerance and perseverance and tenacity that I've ever seen. She's even more tenacious than any Jack Russell I've ever seen before in my life. She does not let it go. If there's something that needs to be solved, Belinda's on it like ants on cheesecake. I can promise you that. I've seen it. I can see how she's like, no, I can't let this go yet. It's not ready yet. It's not working as it should work yet. And she keeps on working. So, ladies and gentlemen, I think let's all give a great round of applause for Belinda Ford, who is working herself senseless behind the scenes. Well done, Belinda. So, ladies and gents, we're going to watch a short video clip now, and then we're going to hand over to the lady who is 99.999% to thanks for all of the things that's going right in the company. Enjoy the video.
Wait.
Thank you. Sorry. Before I start, I just want to say thank you, Jesse, for those very kind words. But with anybody's goals, they were inspired, and you are the inspiration behind my tenacity. So thank you. Okay. So with regards to how to submit a claim, a cashback claim, a lot of people start, but then they go, but how do I do it? Okay, so first of all, on the app, it explains everything. Now, I know I have the same thing. We all do. When we open an app for the first time, we get these pop-ups with how to do this or where to go here. And it's sometimes you're like, I'll figure it out myself, man. Just you push the cross at the top. So I get that. But just tell your team when they download the app that they need to go through with what we call modals, which is those screens that pop up. So as soon as they click on claims for the first time, you will see a pop-up of how to claim. It tells you exactly what to upload, which is a tax invoice. Make sure it's itemized, all that, and it explains the 5-minute rule, the 24 hours that you have to claim. Everything is explained in there. Now, I know a lot of people just go, I do not want to see this again, and then they push close, and then they don't ever see it again, and then they come back and go, but why was my claim rejected? Because they didn't read. Okay. It's human nature. It's not just, one or two people. It's most people. I'm guilty of it too. So, okay. So that's where we have most of the information is on the app. The reason why we have all that information on the app, also with all the, anywhere on the app, there's little question marks all over the app. Use those, click on it, see what it says. Okay. Because we want you to get your cash back. there are rules. Yes. Why? Because people take advantage of good things. So there has to be rules and regulations. But what we've noticed, obviously, those that are very honest in their claims, they don't have an issue whatsoever with the rules that we have at the moment. So just take those rules to heart, and every single one of your claims will be there. We want you to get your claims. We want you to be honest and compliant, and in return, obviously, you get your cash back. So just remember that your slips, your uploads, you will get that cash back. Okay, everybody is really treated very fairly. So for those who don't have that modal up anymore, just remember to check in 5 minutes before you claim. Okay, and then once you've paid for your groceries or your fuel or whatever, then you can just take a photo of that, slip, upload it, and that's it. That's how easy it is. Just make sure it's a tax invoice. Now, I know that a lot of restaurants, they only give pro forma invoices. Make sure it's a tax invoice. If you don't, ask the waitress for the tax invoice afterwards, as well as the petrol slips. Please don't give us any card machine receipts. Those are not tax invoices. Ask for a cash slip or a tax invoice from the petrol attendant. So if you abide by the rules, then you'll get all your cash back. There's no problems there. Okay.
And the question marks as well. The question marks.
Yeah, on the app. Yeah.
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 Not my question marks. Not my question marks. The question marks on the app.
Yeah, everywhere on the app
there's
little.
In the right-hand corner. Is that right or left?
Yes.
It's in the corner in the app.
Yeah, of every block, there's question marks everywhere. You can just go and have a look and see, and it explains really well. So, yeah, and then, so I'm going to now show you 2 videos. One of a dear friend of ours, Ella. She's doing really, really well in the business, as well as Tureta. They've got amazing testimonials, so we'd really like you to hear from them yourselves, what their experience with Diginew Cashback is, and how they are enjoying the platform, and what made them decide with Diginew Cashback. So let me just share my screen quickly to get the right video. Okay.
Everyone, my name is Ella, and I started with Diginew last year February. Now things are exciting. I'm really enjoying being with Diginew because I just had my 2 activations, memberships. The people, they just joined recently, and I'm so happy because each and every Friday I'm waiting in anticipation to receive my commission. It's a nice, fulfilling moment, and I know soon I'll have my 5 generations. I'm eager to grow my group. I'm eager to do my best to show that with Diginew you can earn. With Diginew you get the best, and there's no need to panic. Just hang in there, move on, and do your best, and it will pay up at the end of the day. I thank you very much for Jesse to start this. This is really working.
I'm with Diginew now for a year, and it's like a dream come true for me because I've tried so many stuff to earn a passive income just to make life a bit easier, but I could never succeed in any of it. When I came across Diginew, I was skeptic because I didn't want to fail again. And then I went onto the website and I came across the profit share plan video. And then I saw this is something unique. It's not something that I saw in any of the other stuff that I've tried. And then I scrolled a bit further and I came across Belinda's video, and she said something that really grabbed my attention. She said they put God first. And then I knew I want to be here. And I heard about Jesse's dream. He just wants to help normal people like you and me earn that passive income to make life a bit easier. And he's succeeding because he puts God first. And I always get emotional with Marius as well. He's our mentor with marketing. I've learned so many stuff from him. I'm not a marketer. I'm in finance, so marketing is so far from what I'm usually doing. But with all his help, his guidance, and all the mentors are always available. They are there. If you ask a question, they will help you, because that is how we learn, asking questions. And then I've got my sister. She's not my real sister, but Erika. I've called her my sister because we've got the same why. Our why is to retire our husbands, and we're gonna sit on the beach one day with our husbands and having a nice time. And that is also our dreams. Our dreams are the same. We just want to have peace and mind, not worrying about money. And everyone is always there to help. That is what I love about DigiNew. It's plain, it's simple. And the company does so much for us. So there's no way, if you are consistent, I have been consistent, so I have been earning every single week. And that is the best part of DigiNew, is getting that money every Friday. If you put the work in, you're going to get your money. So if you are still wondering, what are you doing here? You are at the right place, believe me, because I never knew I can be so successful earning a passive income by just being consistent and sharing my opportunity with other people. Because if you earn the money, you can show it to people as well. That is also what I love about DigiNew. You earn as soon as you start loading your slips or referring a friend or family to DigiNew. That next Friday, you're going to get your income. And that is amazing. And that builds up to something amazing, something that you can use for anything. And that is what I love. It's real money back into your pocket.
Awesome.
Sorry,
Brenda,
are you going to let me introduce you at least first?
please, please.
Yes, yeah, I don't know what the English is, but in Afrikaans it's called voorbarig. I don't know.
Well, Marius would love to share with everybody our listed merchants. Marius is our head of field marketing. Some of you weren't on the call right in the beginning when he introduced himself. So Marius is a very, very big team player and also an inspiration to me and to a lot of people. He has a heart for people and the patience to help as well. Everybody. He wants to help everybody if he can. So yeah, he's really great to have and to be a friend of. So thank you, Marius.
Awesome, Belinda. Thank you for that. Must I pay you for that nice words?
No,
in
not
your
necessary.
in your
You'll take a
DigiNew
DigiNew Pay
wallet.
transfer.
Yeah.
DigiNew Pay payment.
Yeah, that I'll accept.
Okay, awesome. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we've got 3 income streams in our business. The number 1 is your cashback. Everybody in our business will get cashback. That is our main income stream, and the rest is compulsory. Okay, so we've got 2 other income streams. I'm just going to talk about the one and a little bit later about the other one. And we've got 4 industries on board. Okay, so fuel, groceries, restaurants, and Bolt. And that is what we call unlisted merchants because they are everywhere in South Africa. But the exciting thing now is Jesse is already talking to other main players in the field. But the great thing is in our area, I've got a lot of merchants in my area, and that is any thing from doing nails, cutting hair, putting oorbellen in your ears or nose rings or something. I'm just joking. But you can really get any merchant on board, and that is what we call our listed merchants. But in that listed merchants, we show you exactly how to get them on board. That is part of our training. And the great thing is, every transaction that goes through that merchant that you got on board, you will get commission from that. And that is the great thing that makes me very, very excited. I'm already busy working in my area, and I can tell you, ladies and gentlemen, the listed merchants are definitely one great income stream that you want to pursue. But Belinda, please tell us, where can we get the training to be listed merchant marketers?
Hi, no problem. No problem there. Okay, so you heard Jesse speaking about Nova, which is our AI platform. That's you also, when you join Diginu, you get a profile on Nova as well. And she is your business, how do you say, PA in your pockets. So she helps you with, obviously you can chat to her. She's a chat as well. And then you get to see your whole business on the dashboard, which is really, really cool. And then we've got lots of things over there for you guys to take advantage of in Nova. But to find the listed merchants, the training, as you log in on Nova, the first page that pops up, you will see there, it will say, I start my training to be a listed merchant marketer. And then you can just click on there and it'll take you straight to the training. So once you've done the training, there is a test, because obviously the merchants that we bring on board, we want to make sure that you as a person can, what's the right word?
Right.
Right. Diginu Cashback Club. Is that the word you're looking for?
No.
That's the right word.
That you as a person can be, in other words, the front of Diginu. You're the face of Diginu when it comes to the yes for the merchants. So you're the one that's going to be dealing with the merchants. So we need to make sure that you are you know exactly what you're talking about, because there's nothing worse than having somebody like explain something to you and then you ask them questions and they can't answer it. So there is a test involved, and once you've completed the test, you will then be accepted. Once you're accepted, you will have a listed merchant dashboard, and the certificate that you will get, that you can obviously show that you are an accredited listed merchant marketer, will automatically show on your dashboard once you have brought on your very first merchant. So once you've brought on your first merchant, then you will get your certificate. It's pretty simple, straightforward test and learning, and it's available to any active member. So if you're not active and you want to be a merchant marketer, merchant marketer, you can't really earn commissions unless you're part of Diginu Cashback. You can't promote something that you don't use yourself. So in order to do the training and to get your certificate and to become a listed merchant marketer, you have to have an active membership yourself. So get yourself an active membership, then you can start doing your training. So with that, your merchants are linked to you as well, so that you can earn that commission. But I'd like Jesse, if Jesse can explain to us what this linked for life is.
I can. I think Marius just needs to. Can Marius explain to us the income opportunity?
Oh, did I miss it?
Belinda, how can you miss it?
Yes.
Yeah,
your
Diginu Pay payment haven't cleared yet.
Yeah, that's why. You see, I skipped him.
I was really thinking that I'm off for the evening now. I can have a tea break, but now I must talk again. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, the income opportunity is definitely my passion. That's what happened when Jesse and I sat near the fire with a glass of wine or two, maybe three in the hand. And we decided, listen, we want to scale number one. No, scaling is actually number 2 or 3. We want a business where we can help and assist millions of people. So our first aim is 1 million people, but we're not going to stop there. And we're not just going to stop in South Africa as well. We're going to take this thing like Pinky and the Mouse. We're going to take over the world. So our profit sharing plan, this is the great, what is the right word? The great part of Diginu Cashback and of Diginu. And in the profit sharing plan, you can actually make a lot of money. I almost said the S word, son, yeah. So, and the great thing is you don't need to work alone. And that is why we created the profit sharing plan. And I'm going to show you also now exactly how it works. So you can start building your own sales teams as well. So, and this is how what I'm going to show you now is the income opportunity around the customer acquisition. So from our membership that we all pay to be part of Digino Cashback to get all that advantages of the cashback, there is a membership in that, but a big part of that membership goes back to the sales teams or to the people that do the marketing. And that is what I'm very, very, very excited about. And that is also why I invited a lot of people tonight to have a look at that. Okay, so number one, your first aim is you don't want to pay your membership. I don't want to pay my membership. I want it to be paid. So I immediately went and I looked for 7 people. So you will see there's a standard and a premium a membership. There's you will see on the app that there's different advantages on having either a standard or premium. I'm working on the premium. So my premium membership is 199 Rand. I get 7,000 Rand value of that. Okay, so in that, ladies and gentlemen, is I have a lot of people that I work with to show them exactly the same. So, but I know people that I work with is not as lazy as me. They're not going to work with 7 people. They're immediately going to get 10 people, get their membership paid and make some extra money. And then there's other people that maybe get 5 people each, 4 people each. And this is a great thing, is building a business in your own capacity. You're actually starting your own franchise in a bigger business. So you can see there, and this is really 37 grand. You can play around with this. We will show you at a later stage where to get these links. But look at that. The company turnover of having these people on board is over 2 million Rand. So you can see they can definitely afford to pay out the commissions as well. I'm personally, I'm working at this stage on getting 50 people on board. I've got my leaders that I want them to do exactly the same, and I'm not going to stop here at 10 people and 5 people. So you can play around with these numbers, ladies and gentlemen. This is a great income opportunity. You can start building yourself a great, I always call it my personal pension, but this is bigger than that. So the Digino income opportunity is really the profit sharing plan is very, very lucrative. And we are here to assist you and help you building your own teams as well. So, but the other great thing, what I love about our business is linked for life, because I don't want to work with a person that get thousands of customers on board and tomorrow morning I'm looking for them. No, they're not in my business anymore. They were moved. But that doesn't happen in Digino, and Jesse's going to explain that to us.
Thanks, Marius. Ladies and gentlemen, so part of what we're building is we want to have this not a flash in the pan, where you can get a lot of money and then it goes away. Let's say you make nice income. Let's say, I don't know what's nice income for you, but let's say 10,000 Rand a month after 4, 5, 6 or 7 months. It doesn't matter. It all depends on your personal inputs. And then all of a sudden you build this thing up and now it's just like gone. And some companies with a referral model allow for people to be moved. So in other words, I enrolled Belinda, Belinda enrolled Marius, Marius enrolled 10,000 people, for instance. Now I'm earning a commission from that every single week, right? From those, every time someone's membership goes through in that week and that Friday, I get commission. Now, if the company allows for Belinda now to move all of a sudden to John, who's her high school chummy, and what's going to happen to my income? That's going to mean automatically Marius and his team is also going to be moved as well. My income's going to drop, right? Not in DigiNew. So we've got a principle called linked for life. If I join with your link, I am linked to you for life. I cannot move. We even go as far as Nova now is trained to pick up if someone previously had a profile, because some people open up a profile and then they went to open up a new profile under someone else. Nova picks that up. That's breach of terms and conditions. We're so serious about this. We put this in the terms and conditions. I think it's under single profile policy or something like that. You're not allowed to have more than one profile, because people will use different email address and cell phone numbers under someone else so they can start building their rather. That's not right. The first person that introduced you is the person to whom that new person is going to be linked for life. We also go about it, pick that up, and our compliance department immediately handles that. Why? Because when DigiNew was founded, it wasn't founded on a principle of no one, and I mean no one, should be able to say in 3 or 5 years from now, I've spent so much time building this thing up, and the company just allowed this person to move, and the entire team moved with him, and now my income dropped from 60,000 Rand a month to 12,000 Rand a month because of that move. That will not happen in DigiNew. We've got zero tolerance policy for that happening. Zero. We don't allow that. Why? Because I want you to be able to build with confidence and know, once I've signed that person up, they are linked to me for life. Now, there's a massive downside in that as well. The downside is, if I joined with Belinda's link, I can never join with your link, which means you've lost me for life. So it can either be linked for life or lost for life. You can decide which one. It all depends on how quickly you get your people to join and to be linked to you. We've had many requests before. My friend joined under someone else. Can they please be moved to me? The answer is definitely zero. Not even a negotiation, not even a discussion. The chances are zero that that person will be moved. Now, the reason for that is I've personally lost in a previous company a lot of money because of that. Marius, I know, has lost a lot of money with that. And we decided, you know what, we will be the change. We are not going to allow for that. So my advice to you would be, after this call, get your friends and your family members to join with your link. If they join with someone else's link, I'm sorry, there's nothing we're going to do about it. The first person that signed that person up, when I've joined with your link, you know I'm going to be linked to you for life, as well as the team that I built, if I decide to build a team. So my advice to you would be, do not miss out on this. I'm really serious when I tell you this. There's probably some of you on this call that's requested before, and you know what the answer was. Compliance department says no, because, and I'm the reason behind it. So I'm the only one that, well, I'm not the only one, but I'm massively in favor of that. And then we had a top management meeting. We said, listen, guys, this is my suggestion. Marius and I first discussed it, and then we discussed it with the rest of the team, said, this is a suggestion. Let's have linked for life and zero chances of someone being moved. How do you guys vote? We all voted yes, because we are all experienced marketers. We all know what it feels like building something up, and then we don't want to have that thing taken away in the blink of an eye. So my advice to you is, get your friends and your family to join ASAP with your link, so that you know they are linked to you. By the way, you can also see on your DigiNew Cashback app, number one, you'll get a notification once they've joined with your link. And number two, you'll also be able to see them on your phone, on your app, the DigiNew Cashback app. You'll be able to see all of them there. And by the way, surprise announcement, we've now released a new update on the app. You can go and update your app on the app stores. You will now be able to contact each and every person who has joined with your link by the click of a button, and then you can contact them via WhatsApp. So you'll now see under your My Team section, you'll see all the people that's there. You click on that button that says WhatsApp, you click on that, it automatically opens up WhatsApp, goes directly to their number, whether you've got their number saved or not, and then you'll be able to make contact with that person and then support them to come on board with us. Now, ladies and gentlemen, with that being said, we're now going to go into a Q&A session. So we're going to enable the questions and answers functionality. So at the bottom of your screen, you will see that there's a Q&A functionality. If you've got any questions, you are more than welcome to pop those questions over in the Q&A functionality on Zoom, and then we will quickly answer them for you. So before I'm going to hand over to Belinda to handle the Q&A for us, just to touch on something again from the team section side, on the new functionality that came out, I highly advise you to make use of that. Make contact with your team. If you let's say, for instance, you posted on social media. By the way, I saw earlier today, I checked on Facebook, over 24,000 times has the hashtag DigiNewCashback been used. You can go and check it. You click on create post, then you type in hashtag DigiNewCashback, type it in as one word, then you'll see that result come up at the bottom. Over 24,000 times people have used that. So if you got some people in by means of that functionality, you will be able to then make contact with those people by sending them a WhatsApp on that functionality on your app. All right, ladies and gents, if you've got questions, down in the bottom, but I think I'm going to hand over to Belinda. And Belinda, will you please assist with the Q&A?
Sure. Thank you. Okay, so Erasmus is asking, what do companies gain from being signed up as a listed merchant? What do customers, what do merchants want? They want customers. What do we have? We've got customers. So like Jesse says always, that we're in the middle, the place, the connector app. So you get the customers that are looking for discounts and great deals, and the merchants are looking for customers. So that's where we come in. So we give the merchants recurring customers, because if you know that you're going to get a bigger percent at, let's say, the one hair salon, then a bigger percent cashback, or you're going to get a cashback, let's say, at this one hair salon, and you don't get a cashback at the other hair salon, which one are you going to go to? You're going to keep going back to the same one that gives you cashback. So we give the merchants recurring customers, and we give you recurring cashback. Awesome.
And sorry, Belinda, if I can also add to that, Erasmus, what's also a massive benefit for those merchants is, instead of them doing a spray and pray principle where they just blast a lot of money onto social media marketing and they just hope for the best, which most companies sometimes do, they now take some of their marketing budget and they pay after the sale already took place. So it's a massive, from a business perspective, it's an incredible business model, really. It is. It's like zero downside, zero risk. The customer had to submit their slip. You can see that the merchant can see the slip on their dashboard, and then they look at the slips. They can see all those slips. They pay once a week, and then we transfer. The company then automatically transfer those funds to the people that claimed, that submitted those claims at the various stores.
Thank you, Jesse. Okay, so somebody's asking where they can change their password, which is on Nova. So on Nova, you'll be able to request for your password to be changed. We'll share the link with you a little bit later. Okay. Okay. Can I buy from 2 different supermarkets in one day? Yeah, sure, no problem. You can buy from 2. You can buy from 5 if you want.
Belinda, stop being rude. You know what she's asking.
I know.
Oh no, sorry, it's a guy. Sorry, it's a guy. You know what he's asking. You know what he means.
Yes.
You know what he means. Stop dragging it out.
You can only claim once per industry. So if you go shopping in 2 different supermarkets, unfortunately, you can only submit the one for the day. So you can only do 1 claim per day per category. So it's 1 fuel, 1 supermarket, and 1 restaurant. So maybe split the shopping over 2 days instead, and you can claim on both days. Okay, so Okay, the next question. What are the fees involved for merchants to sign up? Jesse, do you want to take that one?
I don't know. Are there any fees? No, I'm joking. Okay, so I don't know what this person's name is. They are listed as anonymous attendee. So I think they entered their name as anonymous. So anonymous, it's very simple. There's two different options. They can either opt in for a 10% or a 15% cashback, and that will include the VAT. It will include payment gateway fees that we have to pay on our side to process their cards. It will include the cashback amount itself, all of those things. The company doesn't make a cent from that. That goes, the money that gets generated from that goes directly to the member that claimed. So there's two options, 10% or 15%. Sign-up fee is free, so that's zero. They don't have to pay a sign-up fee to get involved. They come on board, and only after we brought them business do they pay. I mean, I can tell you this from running a company. I wish we had an opportunity like that before to get. I mean, I would pay that hand over fist anytime like that, because we've blown so much money. I mean, the one marketing campaign we did was 80,000 Rand. Cost to. That money is gone. No return on actual spend. So 10% and 15% are the two options for the merchants.
Okay, thank you. Okay, Kamal is asking, can one not cancel the initial supermarket and use another? Is it possible? So once you've put in your claim, you've put in your claim. You can't do anything about that once that's done. But on your check-in, yes. So if you, let's say, checked in for Checkers, and then on the way there you go, oh, wait, I actually got to Pick and Pay. You can quickly remove that check-in and then quickly check in for Pick and Pay then, if that would do. So that is possible. You can just delete the authorizer or the check-in and then recheck in the right supermarket, the one you've changed your mind to. Okay, so Marius, can you answer this one? Are there any bonus or incentives for team leaders who consistently grow active teams? I think that's a really good one for you.
Oh, yes. Okay, Patrick, you must please make sure that you are on the monthly training. There we show you the bigger ranks on, but the great thing is on the bigger ranks, there's certain percentages. It's only for that, guys. And that is of the turnover of the whole company. So there's definitely massive bonuses and incentives. So you're at the right place at the right time, my friend.
Okay, great. I think I've gone through all the questions. If there's any other people that want to.
I see Tanya posted a message here. Tanya Erasmus said, no question, just a thought on your discussion, JC, about chaos. Through chaos, we build success. We don't give up, with a smiley face. Thank you, Tanya. That's very true. That's a beautiful mindset to have. Thank you for that. Okay, Belinda, I think we need to go into the poll. Otherwise, we're going to run behind schedule. Ladies and gentlemen, now, can I see by means of a heart reaction, whom of you would like to be part of a team where you can get all the shortcuts on what works, what doesn't? Can I see a heart reaction if you would like to have support on this? Okay, now this is how DigiNew is built. So from the foundation upwards, we have built it like this. And I do understand sometimes it does not make sense. However, we've built this over a period of 7 years. And before that, all of us in top management, that's actually a requirement for you to be part of top management. You needed to have prior experience in field marketing. That's otherwise you cannot get involved. Regardless of what position, you cannot get in top management if you don't have that experience. So we've built this entire model on facts that showed us it works. Okay. So then later on we did a little fine-tuning here and there. So we can give you all of the support that you need. And I'm not talking about calling a call center or chatting to a chatbot in terms of what's my next strategy. I'm talking about real human connection. So the person with whose link you joined. So we've got online events like tonight and our once a month monthly training on the last Saturday of every month that you can attend online. And then we also have another 2 support mechanisms. The one is to go to the person that introduced you, that with whose link you joined. You can find it on Nova. You can find the information there. And the second one is where you can join the Movers WhatsApp group. So if you have two people who that joined with your link and activated their membership, you get invited to join the Movers WhatsApp group. It's a prerequisite. It's a closed WhatsApp group. People can't just join when they want and if they want. It's a closed WhatsApp group. System will pick up you've invited if you've got two activations. You need to have an activation yourself, so your membership needs to be active, and you can then if you bring two people on board who activates their membership, you can automatically join. And on that WhatsApp group, those team members hear about all the big things first. Myself, I'm on that WhatsApp group. Marius is on there, Belinda's on there, Erika's on there, Johannes on there. The entire top management team is on there. And then also, obviously, all the big leaders who has already built up massive teams. I mean, some of the people have got a lot of people that they personally onboarded. So that's another mechanism. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put up a poll on your screen where you can indicate a few things where we can now plug you into us. So the answers that you're going to give here is going to be shown to the person that introduced you, with whose link you joined. They can see it on their Nova dashboard, the answers that you gave, and they will then reach out and assist you in getting plugged into the system and your next steps. So I'm going to show the poll on the screen. You can see it popped up on your screen now, and there you can vote. So there is, let me just see, is this the one? No, sorry, this is the wrong poll, my bad. It's not that one, it's this one.
I was starting to fill that in, Jesse. Now you're taking it away.
Yeah, me too.
You had your chance. You
forward
had
to
your
it.
chance, Marius. Quick. You had your chance. It's now gone. Okay, there we go. So the first question is, you see the poll pops up on your screen. The first question is, how much commission would you like to earn per month? Would you like to earn between 0 to 5,000, 5,000 to 15,000, or 15,000 plus a month? Then the next one, the second question of the 4 questions is, do you need assistance from a team leader? You can simply click yes or no. And then the third question is, how keen are you to get started? So 10 means I'm in, I'm ready to get going right now. And then 1 means, or 0 means not that much. So you can rank yourself there. Just give a rough estimation of where you feel that you fit in. And then the 4th question is, by when do you want to join the Movers group, if you'd like to join the Movers group? So by Friday, between 1 to 2 weeks from now, and I don't want to join is the third option. Okay, I highly advise that you fill in this poll. It's for your own benefit. So if you don't want to fill in the poll, entirely fine. Okay, wait, I see now the number. I think there was like a lag. It's like numbers just pulling through on my side. Okay, ladies and gents, we'll give another 10 seconds for the last bits and pieces to be answered, and then we're going to end the poll. So if you've answered all 4 of those questions, those answers will pull through to the person that invited you. All right, I'm going to end the poll. There we go. All right, let's quickly see how many people are keen to get started. 70% of the attendees voted they are on a level 10. So in other words, they are ready to get going right now. And then let me look at the other one as well. By Friday, which, here we go. When do you want to join the Movers group? 52% of people voted by Friday, and 48% of people voted between 1 to 2 weeks. We're sitting with a strong team here tonight. Okay, and by the way, no one voted, I don't want to join. I see there's 0 votes for that. Ladies and gentlemen, that brings tonight's event to a close. I've got an exciting uproar that I see in the team happening. When I look at Nova and I see the growth we're having, we're onto something massive here. As Marius mentioned as well earlier, I'm currently in quite advanced discussions with companies that reached out and said, listen, we would like to get involved with you guys. I met with some of them today, and then some of the other people I met with yesterday. We had meetings, and they want to come on board with us to offer even better benefits to the team. So every time I'm in a meeting like that, like today in the one Zoom meeting I had, I told them, listen, we're going to go with we look at two things. Number one, what's in this for our members? Because I don't want to sound like a union, but we negotiate on behalf of our members. So if it's not worth it, then obviously the brand's going to look crap, isn't it? It's like, this is not a good benefit. Then we're going to look crap. So we negotiate very good deals on your behalf. Because of the amount of people that we have, we do have a little bit of benefit that we can bring to those brands as well, to those companies. And the second thing is, we look at how simplistic it is and also the benefits for the company. Because if it kills the company's business model, if you kill the goose that lays the golden eggs, no one eats. So we are going to soon have a top management discussion in terms of bringing more brands on board. We're looking at doing that rather soon. I can't give you a timeline at this point yet, but we are in very advanced discussions. One of those benefits looks really, really well. I'm really impressed with what those people presented. It looks incredibly well. So once those things are finalized, we will give you guys feedback. We'll send out emails. By the way, obviously, the movers group, you guys will hear about it first. We will post it on the WhatsApp group. Those of you that want to join the WhatsApp group, I highly advise do it like that. Activate your membership if you haven't activated one yet. And then the second thing is get 2 people to activate their membership. So you send your link, which you can find on your DigiNew Cashback app, to friends and family. Tell them, listen, quickly download this app from this link. They download the app, they register, they activate their membership. Number 1 is done. Then you do number 2. We'll pick it up, and then we will invite you over to the movers group. Ladies and gents, I hope you have a great evening further. And those of you that voted, you're on a 10 already. It's great to see that. Welcome on board with us. Let's do something flippin' amazing together. I'm really excited about this. For those of you that had to wait for your... Hello. For those of you that had to wait for a little bit for your claims to be approved, I humbly apologize. There was a few challenges that got picked up, but we are going to sort out those individuals that committed fraud. They are in big trouble. But those of you that were on the straight and narrow, your risk scoring on Nova went really green. So well done on that. And thank you for the patience. We did not expect this amount of uptake, but we're working as hard as we can. Okay, ladies and gents, I hope you have a great evening further.
Jesse, do you want to just explain to them where they can find the Nova link?
What's Nova? Sorry, thanks, Melinda. I forgot about that. Ladies and gents, in the reminder email that you received at approximately 7 p.m. tonight that you received from Zoom to remind you about this event, you will see there's a couple of links in there. Number 1, there is nova.diginew.com link in there. So you can go to nova.diginew.com, but the link is also in that email. Secondly, you can find the WhatsApp channel. You can find that link in there. I highly advise to enable your notifications on that channel as well, because notifications on WhatsApp do not automatically get enabled if it's on a channel. So you can plug in there and we will send you all the information. You can get all the updates there. Ladies and gents, I hope you have a blessed evening further. Bye-bye.